subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Xiaomi has finally launched the successor of Mi Mix 3 smartphone after 3 years in China as Mi Mix 4. And it is the company's first phone to support under-display camera or camera under panel as Xiaomi calls it. Talking about the specifications, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass vectors on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus chipset, paired with Adreno 660 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128, 256 or 512GB of UFS 3.1 storage. In terms of camera, the Mi Mix 4 supports a triple camera setup in a large squarish module at the top left corner, including LED flash and a laser autofocus system. The AAA camera includes a 108MP main camera with HMX sensor plus 8MP telephoto lens with 5x optical and 50x hybrid zoom support and a 13MP ultra-wide angle lens with 120° field of view. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to 8K videos at 24 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has 20MP under-display selfie camera with 400 pixel per inch density on top, and the company claims that it matches the pixel density, brightness, and color details of surrounding screen to completely hide the camera zone. The device comes backed by 4500 mAh battery with 120W fast charging support that is claimed to fully charge the device within 15 minutes of time, and it also supports 50W wireless charging that can fully charge the device in 28 minutes of time. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 12.5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Harman Kardon stereo speakers for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.65 by 75.35 by 8.02mm, and it weighs around 225 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 5,299 Chinese yuan. There is 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 5,799 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 6,299 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in ceramic black, ceramic white, and shadow grey color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from August 16th. So what do you guys think of this Mi Mix 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.